iProven's basal body thermometer will help you predict your fertile window in a few months. All you need to do is take your temperature daily right after you wake up. It's designed for accurate tracking starting with the tip. Specially made for BBT measurements, it's small for quick 60 to 70 second readings, flexible for extra comfort, and waterproof for easy cleaning. Built with attention to detail, it's effortless to use every day. Last reading memory recall, 2-decimal precision, low battery alert, automatic shutoff. It also comes with its own storage case for easy keeping. How to use iProven's basal body thermometer? 1. Measure your temperature right after you wake up. 2. Place the thermometer under your tongue near the center and close your mouth. 3. Wait for 60 to 70 seconds till the beep. Write down your temperature or save it in a fertility app. 4. Switch the thermometer off and clean it. Easily recall your last reading by turning it back on. 5. Don't take back-to-back readings. The tip gently warms up during use, making consecutive readings less accurate. Factors that can influence your reading. To ensure accurate measurements, keep in mind, don't move before taking your temperature. Check your temperature at the same time each day within a 2-hour window. Only use measurements taken after at least 4 hours of unbroken sleep. Factors like stress, illness, and alcohol can affect your monthly cycle. It's important to note these down to understand any unusual patterns better later. What is your fertile window? Your temperature is low in the first half of your cycle and rises slightly in the second half, typically 1 to 2 days after ovulation. Because sperm can survive in the body for up to 5 days, the fertile window is generally considered to be the 5 days before ovulation and the day of ovulation itself. Charting your temperature daily will allow you to be able to identify your fertile window in 2 to 3 months' time. Get a better grip on your cycle with iProven's basal body thermometer.